Away they go. One slow out. I see Dragon. Jigsaw Star from the outside. Queen moving up is Dr. Choice. And Getty the favorite running down on the inside. Then comes Terry Toon Strike Force and Icy Dragon. Dr. Choice by half a length followed by Jigsaw Star. And Getty racing third by some 2 lengths alongside is Queen. Terry Toon racing in fifth by some 2 lengths, another 2 lengths, corner back in 6, Icy Dragon, and Strike Force inside the last 600, Dr. Choice this time by some 2 lengths, Jigsaw Star, and Getty is running by the rail. Queen is racing on the outside, Icy Dragon, also rushing up Terry Toon as they race the last 450. Dr. Choice from the outside and Getty is running by the rail, sneaking down on the inside. Icy Dragon, Jigsaw Star, Queen, Terry Toon nearing the last 200 meters more to run. Dr. Choice and Getty is down on the inside. Jigsaw Star, Dr. Choice and Getty, Queen, Jigsaw Star, and Getty is now the leader. And finally, Getty, Dr. Choice, Jigsaw Star, Queen, Icy Dragon, Terry Toon, and Strike Force comes last.